Okay, all right. We've passed back the exams yesterday. Some of you did fine. Some of you are still not. Don't think that you're. I don't know. We're still having issues with it, but please come in and see me next week if you had issues with the exam and just kind of want to discuss the class in general. Most of you are doing just fine, especially for physics. But anyway, what I'm going to do, just a quick intro with this section. It's Friday, and a week from today, we get to go home for a week, and that'll be nice. But we need to get through chapter 11, which we'll do on Tuesday and Thursday, and then we'll have kind of a review day on when we come back after Thanksgiving break on Tuesday, and then we'll take the exam on Thursday, and then I've got to work hard to get those things graded to you and get them back to you by Tuesday so that you have the 3 exams to prepare for the final. Ta-da. All right, so boom, boom, boom. I kind of thought this would happen at the end of the term, but so the big idea that we're going to talk about to finish up this chapter is stress and strain and Young's modulus, and we're not going into bulk or volume modulus. Once you do it in one dimension, just taking it up to 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions is those are engineering type problems, and so we're not going to do that, and we're going to look at, and I will by the end of this sequence of things I'm going to do here, we're going to probably do like 3 or 4 of your homework problems, and we'll be done. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get my mug off the screen here, and we will get started. All right, now this is where I have a little bit of an issue with this book. Here's the current slide. Now, if I take this F, now the force, if I pull on this, now this is a tension thing because I'm pulling, the force is being pulled this way. All right, and so of course, so this is being pulled on this way. So of course the rod is pulling back this way, but this would be a tension, and then there's compression. Why do I say that? Because this Young's modulus, this unit of proportionality, has the units of pressure. It's in newtons per meter squared, and so this Young's modulus, which is the amount of force per area surface, the front area here, is what we call the proportionality. In other words, if y equals 3x, y is 3 times x. In other words, it's constant for certain materials. All right, and so here's the big idea that I want you to get first. All right, as we look at this, and then we'll go ahead and go into video 2 right after this. Gotta load this up. Sorry about that. All right. So there we go. We've got this. So notes for end of chapter 10. All right. Here's the notes for the end of chapter 10. You've got the force. Here's what we call is stress, which most of you are feeling right about now at this point in the semester. Stress is a force over an area. That's a stress. Okay? And when we get to chapter 11, we'll talk about pressure. Stress and pressure are the same thing, force over area. All right? And the force over area is equal to y times L naught over L, over the original length of the wire, the femur, whatever we're looking at, with it, we've turned into kind of a one-dimensional problem. So this is the stress. This is the strain. All right. This is the stress. This is the strain. Okay. Now, so with that, let's look at, in other words, what force is required to change the length of a cable, all right, to a certain length, to change its length. All right, that's the idea. That's what we're going to be examining in these next like 3 or 4 videos. Okay, so let's go on to video